Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to schedule your emails and send them later. Okay, you can type as many emails as you want, but then to send it to the receiver you can delay it, or you can schedule it to a given time, a given date and a given time as appropriate. And once that day reached and that time reached, it will automatically deliver the message. So let's start by giving an example. We say we come to compose and we want to compose a simple message to, let's say, Epic Mentorship. Okay, and we'll give it a title because now maybe we are targeting when Epic Mentorship channel is going to reach 2,000 subscribers. So we can just say congratulatory message. And we'll say hi Epic. This is just to congratulate you on getting to 2,000 subscribers. More grace to your elbow. So this is a simple message. You may decide to send it now, but you can come all the way down here to check other more sending options. Okay, so once you click on this, you can schedule this message. You can click to schedule. You can send this message tomorrow morning at this time, 8 a.m. You can send tomorrow afternoon at 1 p.m. You can send Monday morning at 8 a.m. which is nearly the same because tomorrow is Monday. So but you may decide to pick a date and time, and you can customize accordingly. Let's say we are taking on November, or we will take it to December, and you can put in, maybe you have forecasted that Epic is going to reach 2,000 subscribers by December 15th, and then you set the time. So this is 11:47 p.m. You can make it 4:47 p.m. or you can make it 16:47 p.m. So this is, you have just scheduled it, and once you click on schedule send, it's going to delay this message until that day and time. Okay, so to check the messages you have scheduled, all of them, you can come all the way down here and you can see from here scheduled. Okay, you can click on it and you can see the list of all the messages you have scheduled. This is just the first one. It's scheduled for this. You can decide to recall it and make some edits and then send it and reschedule it again. So you can open it. Once you open, you can see cancel send. Or once you cancel send at this time, it's going to give you the opportunity to reschedule or to change the date and timing, or to change even the content of the email. Okay, so let's say we click on cancel send and it's not going to send. So schedule send cancelled message related to draft. So now you have the option to play around with the message again. So you maybe anticipated that Epic is going to reach 20k by 15th of December. All of a sudden the subscriber list reached by 16th of November. So you have to reschedule this. So you just come over here and reschedule again, and then you can pick a date and time. Now you still come back to November, and this is going to be 16th, and maybe you can make it 8 in the morning. Okay, 8 in the morning, and you can say schedule this message, and this message now becomes rescheduled, and you have the option to undo this and view message and edit, or thereabout. So once this date reached, the message is going to be automatically delivered to Epic Mentorship. So this is just a bit on how to schedule your message and send them later at a later date and at a later time. If you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.